Hello students, this is Majesh Bhuria from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. Students, do you think teachers are the only people who can teach you? No. There are many other things who can teach us. They can be in the form of animals, birds, plants or insects. But condition is that we need to understand them, we need to accept them, then only we can learn something from them. Here we are going to start our lesson, The Tiny Teacher. Regarding its introduction, let's see some important points. Though so small, but the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hard-working. Students, if I ask you what are the important things in the world, definitely you will say many things. But if I'll ask you what is the tiniest thing or smallest insect of the world, definitely you will say fly, mosquito or some other things. But dear students, when we are going to discuss about the ant is the smallest creature shown here in the lesson. But it is also said that the ant is work hardy and definitely it is so intelligent also. Another thing is that among the various kind, the commonest ant is black or red. Definitely we are familiar with the ants. Commonly you might have seen either black or red, and you might have seen it near the kitchen or in the kitchen or near a house, so and so. Next is, ants live in the comfortable homes called ant hills. Students, definitely we also make our own shelter. You might have seen in the Discovery Channel or somewhere else that all the wild animals, they also have their own shelter. Definitely same way, the ants, they also have their own house. They make it by their own and try to live a peaceful life. Before we go through the lesson, let us see the main characters of the lesson. The queen ant, definitely the queen ant is the head of the whole community. Second is workers. And third is soldiers. Before we go through the chapter, definitely we need to understand certain words like ant hills, that is ants' home where they live. Next one is grubs, the first form of the insects. Next is feelers, that is too long thin part on the head of ant. Definitely this is the main part of the ant. It helps them to communicate with each other and to pass the message. They use these feelers. Next one is cocoon. This is something protective cover of the ant. Creature, a living thing, an animal, bird, fish or an insect, but not plant. Now comes the story. Generally, there are many facts which we know about the insect, but here we are talking about the particular insect, that is an ant. You can see in the picture how they are working, how they are living, what type of activities they are doing. An ant as a small creature. Definitely we all know that the ant is really smallest creature, but it is having certain things which we do not have. Though we have, but we do not use it. Now kinds of ants. Generally there are two types of ants. black and red. But apart from that, there are two parts. Two groups are there. One is known as worker, another is known as soldier. Next is live in a small home called ante. Definitely as we people live in the colony, in the society and follow certain rules and regulations. Same thing, they also follow certain rules and regulations to live a peaceful life. Next one is duty of workers. As I told you, there are two types of members, workers and soldiers. If we talk about workers, it is their duty to feed the whole community. They are the people who are going here and there and collecting food for other members. Who are other members? Like queen and soldiers. They also take care of each and every member of the committee. Next one is they take care of the other members, they take care of their babies, they take care of the queen and they clean the home and keep the home clean and hot way. Next one is important of the soldiers. As I told you, the workers, they are important for the whole community. The same thing with the soldiers also. It is their duty to protect their whole community from the enemies. Yes. Next point is work of queen ant. If I talk about ant community, definitely queen ant is something different. It is bigger than other ant. It has two wings, it can fly and it can come back to home. And if we talk about its work, so far it is the head of the whole community, but it has only one work, to lay eggs. After that, she never goes out of the house. Then other workers, as I told you, workers, soldiers, their duty starts. Workers, they keep her safe, they take care of her, and later on the soldiers, they are also aware of this, that their queen is safe. Next is way of living. You might have seen in the Discovery Channel or wildlife, definitely all the animals, they keep on fighting for their shelter, for their prey, for their food, so and so. But ant is the community which never fight. They always live a peaceful life. And that is why the title of the chapter is given The Tiny Teacher. The tiny teacher is justifying through its work, through its character. That is why the way of living is different than other animals. They never interfere with each other. If we talk about two members like soldiers and workers, they live in their separate home. You can see in the picture, separate house is made there. They never interfere here and there. They keep their home clean, they follow the discipline, and whatsoever necessary things are there, they always follow. That is why their lifestyle is very peaceful and they always love to be with each other. Now, next point is lesson to the human beings. As the title of the lesson is given, The Tiny Teacher. Why it is so? Why they are called teacher? Reason is that many things are there which they follow like human being, though we are not following. So that is why they are giving us certain type of lesson. And ants, they have proper discipline. They never fight. They never waste their time. They meet each other. As we are the people who can communicate through our language, they are also having different type of particular feelers. Through their feelers, they communicate with each other and they pass the message. This way they become little bit different than other creature. Now, through this, I have prepared certain type of basic questions. Through these questions, you can analyze yourself, you can see yourself that how you are leading your life. As I had told you in the beginning, teachers are not the only people who can teach you. There are many things in the nature they can teach us, as the tiny teacher ant is given here. The first question says, what problems are you likely to face if you keep ants as pet? As I told you, many people have different type of hobbies. Some people keep certain type of animals as pet. Some people keep ants also pet. Suppose you are keeping this type of thing at your home, you can say, you can note down, you can learn from them what are the activities they are doing and how they are doing. You have to think over it and note down to analyze yourself to get something or any lesson from the chapter. Next one is observe an ant hills and note down their behavior to each other. Generally, we people are living in the society or colony or so and so. Same thing with the insects also, like ants. But generally this type of ants you will find in the kitchen or near your home. You can notice it, their ant hill, as how we keep our home neat and clean, safe, and many type of particular facilities which we needed, we apply there. Same thing, this group also do everything. So my request is to note down this type of ant hills and find out what is the reality of the ants, how they are become a teacher for us, and try to be familiar with their activities. With this, I conclude this video. I hope you might have understood the chapter. Thank you. Take care.